Hi there. Finding the 5 best rowing machine for home reviews worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Concept2 Indoor Rowing Machine. The Concept2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine features solid aluminum front legs, steel rear legs, a flywheel with air resistance, and a maximum user weight capacity of 500 pounds, making it our top pick. Essential for executing powerful and uninterrupted strokes, the Model D's flywheel has a damper for adjusting its air resistance, granting you complete control of the resistance yourself. The harder and faster you row, the more wind the flywheel generates and the more drag you'll feel. With an air resistance rowing machine, you'd expect a bit of noise, however, the Model D runs fairly quiet. Although not completely silent, it's quiet enough for rowers to listen to music or watch television at a normal volume during workouts. The easy-to-read performance monitor tracks stroke rate, calories expended, distance, pace, and watts. It has several built-in programmable workouts and games to motivate you during a workout. The rower also quick and easy to assemble and disassemble, and can be taken apart and rolled for storage. Number 2. Our second best pick is Stamina Hydraulic Rowing Machine. The Stamina WaterRower Glider 1050 rowing machine is small but mighty and an excellent value at $120. Although it's compact and quiet, this hydraulic resistance rowing machine provides a big workout with a smooth gliding padded seat and separate arms for a full body workout. What makes the WaterRower glider so special is its versatility and arm movements. Sturdy with a steel frame and aluminum center beam, the WaterRower glider supports up to 250 pounds. It assembles easily and folds up for storage, as well. The single hydraulic piston/cylinder is located under the unit for convenient adjustment with a manual control dial. The machine is able to maintain a variety of consistent levels of resistance for roughly 30 minutes of hard rowing. Always make sure you turn the control dial itself and not the heated piston/cylinder. Another downside to hydraulic resistance models is the chance of the piston leaking oil. The WaterRower glider also has a simple and easy-to-use monitor, which features more functions than you'd expect on a machine this affordable. Number 3. Our third best pick is NordicTrack Smart Rowing Machine. Though NordicTrack may be more well known for its stationary bikes and treadmills, the company's offered high-quality row machines for quite some time, and its RW900 is the brand's crown jewel. Featuring a 22-inch HD touchscreen display, a library of interactive workout classes led by real trainers, and a fold-up design. So, while rowing away during a class, an instructor has the ability to digitally adjust the resistance based on how they want you to row. But if it's either too much or you want to kick your workout up a few notches, there's the ability to manually adjust the air resistance. The rower also offers stat tracking, which tells you how long you row each week along with calories burned and row wattage, and allows for up to 4 different users on the same iFit profile. All new purchases also come with a free year of iFit, so you won't have to worry about a monthly recurring charge for access to the library of content for at least the first year. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is WaterRower Natural Rowing Machine. If the WaterRower Natural Rowing Machine looks familiar, that's because it's the base unit used by Ergata for its connected rower, our pick above for the best interactive row machine. For an indoor rowing machine, the WaterRower Natural Rowing Machine comes closest to recreating the sensation of actual outdoor rowing, as it features a flywheel that pushes through water in a heavy-duty tank. It even delivers soft and soothing swooshing sounds of water while rowing, too. Maintenance of the machine is easy, too. Just fill the tank using the included siphon pump and drop in a chlorine tablet every 6 months. There's no need to empty the tank, even before storing it. With a comfortable, stable seat that rolls smoothly along dual rails, you'll experience an excellent workout where you can keep track of distance, time, and calories burned as displayed on the S4 monitor. The rower comes with a 3-year warranty on its parts, as well as a 5-year warranty on the frame. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Sunny Magnetic Rowing Machine. The reasonably priced Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine offers quite a few convenient features: a comfortable, cushioned seat, anti-grip handles, an LCD monitor that tracks stroke counts, time, and calories burned, and 8 levels of knob-adjusted magnetic resistance for various intensities, easy to fold and store. Level 2 is good for warming up before progressing to levels 3 and 4 for a more vigorous workout. Levels 5 and higher are more intense, perfect for long cardio building rowing sessions. Level 7 is for endurance and all-out sprints, while Level 8 offers the greatest resistance and hardest workout. Able to support up to 250 pounds, the Sunny's magnetic rowing machine has a 48-inch long rail in which the padded seat rolls smoothly and quietly. The rower is able to easily fold up for convenient storage and even has built-in wheels. It's easy to assemble and relatively compact, taking up minimal space when folded up and very little square footage when open. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.